Hey there friends, it's Weller on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record your laptop screen with both video and sound. Open any browser, type Streamlabs, hit download Streamlabs, then click download. Open the setup file and click yes. Click next, install and wait for it to finish. Next click finish and open it. Here in the microphone section, we need to select our microphone by clicking the gear icon, properties, and choosing our mic there, like this. Next, create a new scene and then a screen capture. To do this, click the plus sign, go to screen capture, add sources, and hit add source. Choose the screen you need, in my case the first one, and click save. Then go to the desktop audio properties, click properties, and make sure everything is set to default so you get sound from your desktop. That's basically it. If you want to add a webcam, click the plus sign. Here we need to find video capture. Click add, then add again, select your camera here, and click close. It's just in use by AWS right now, so it's not visible. Like this, that's all. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Weller was with you. Goodbye everyone.